Okay. All right, let's spell cat. C-A-T. Good boy. Now we spell your name. Wait a minute here. Wait a minute. Okay, we're gonna mix them up. Jackie, come here. Okay, J-A-C-K. Good boy. Now, can you spell your brother's name? Brother's name. Here, wait a minute. 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 You're too anxious to spell. Okay, come back now. Come here. Come here. Spell your brother's name. Z-O-R-R-O. Good boy.